Today is June 15th, 2021, and in this video I'll be breaking down SOFI Technologies. Jumping right into the daily chart, we can see SOFI Technologies have been riding this 21 EMA up to all-time highs of 28.26. Once it hit this all-time high of 28.26, it broke down, wanted to bounce off the 21 EMA again, and unfortunately the bulls couldn't give enough pressure, couldn't give enough buying power to keep it above this 21 EMA. And once that happened, it broke down, and you can see the bears taking advantage of the trend breaking. Once it comes all the way down, breaks below the 50 simple moving average, and forms kind of a new bottom almost in a downward trend. So you can see it bounces off this bottom, hits the top, bounces off this bottom, hits the top, bounces up. And if you're short, you're loving this. I mean, you can go short here, short here, short here. I mean, you're loving this trend up until the point where it breaks above this 21 EMA and then breaks above this 50 simple moving average just recently. And what that tells me is the trend once again is reversing back to the upside. So once again, what happens? Shoots all the way up to 21.75, 21 range. That's 20%. Few days, a week or so. Forms a bull flag, shoots all the way back up to the upside of 24.90, 24.95. And now what you're seeing, you're getting into choppy waters here is what I call it. So you got an all-time high, or not, excuse me, not an all-time high, but a new high forming right here. Unfortunately, it comes back down, tries to bounce off that around that 21 EMA, but it doesn't break out of this all-time high. So now what it's telling me is it's looking more bearish than bullish. It's still sitting on this 21 EMA, so we'll have to see what happens tomorrow if maybe we get a bounce here. But overall, you can see the volume down here. I mean, it's below the average 30 days, but that's not something you want if you're being a bull. You want the volume to be picking up once it hits this support level right here. So if it's telling me anything, it's telling me it's going to come back down here and retest this 50 SMA if it doesn't bounce tomorrow. So we'll kind of see how it plays out. Thanks, guys.